Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Touchpad is not working on your Windows, and this is applicable for both your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Touch Pad settings. Click on that under the best match. Here is you need to make sure first the touchpad is enabled. The button is toggled on. Once this is ensured, then close this. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager under the best match. And here you need to look for mice and other pointing devices. And then update each driver one by one. Make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. Make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. And here you will find the human interface devices. Click on this arrow. Then you will find your touchpad driver. So once you find your touchpad driver, make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. And after that, simply check if touchpad is working this time. But if not, go back to the same device manager window. Locate human interface devices. Locate your touchpad driver. Make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And after that, just simply check if the problem has been fixed. Now, if this is not working for you, updating the touchpad driver, then make a right click on your touchpad and then select uninstall device. Click on uninstall. And after that, you need to close this window. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, that will automatically reinstall the touchpad driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows, and that's it. So, if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.